Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. So if you have been looking for the perfect tempered glass screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, look no further because DBRAND has you covered. This right here is the DBRAND PRISM 2.0 tempered glass screen protector for the outer display of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, as you can see, I actually already have mine installed. If we look right here at the top, we're getting full coverage on that front display, except of course for the earpiece right there, but we're getting full coverage and it looks great. You can't even tell there's a screen protector on here. And I actually recorded the whole installation process, which I'll show you guys right here in a bit, but I just wanted to show you guys first what it looks like on this front display, and it responds great as well. I mean, it doesn't even feel like I'm using a screen protector. As you can see, everything responds very well as if there is no screen protector there at all. I never have any missed touches or anything like that. And it feels great on this front display right here. But let's just quickly see what the unboxing experience is like. Opens up just like this. And this is what it's gonna look like when you open the box. It's going to come with this tray right here. Of course, this does not have the screen protector in it, but it's pretty much telling you what to do. You set it on your device, you swipe down, pull it off, and it does come with instructions right here on the side, as you can see there. So it's nice that they do include that, and it does include a cleaning kit as well, which is going to give you a microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, a squeegee as well. And yeah, this is what the unboxing experience is like. You also have the QR code right there for instructions as well, and this is the box. But let's go ahead and take a look at that installation video that I took installing this. But first, look at it, only took me 4 minutes to install this screen protector. So it does not take long at all. At least that's how long the recording was. Of course, I was maybe finished, a few seconds earlier, but yeah, just about 4 minutes to install the screen protector right here. So let's go and take a look. So as you can see, I mean, the installation process, very, very simple. It's really hard to get it wrong. You just want to really make sure to clean that display best as you can first. Make sure you're in a dust-free environment. Just set that tray on there and, let it go to work. And, this is great for those who don't want, big bulky cases on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, because of course, as it is for foldable, foldable devices can be a little thicker than regular devices. So you can throw on one of their DBRAND skins right here, as you can see, give it a good look in the back of the device, and then throw on a screen protector in the front to protect that front. So you're getting protection in the front, you're getting protection in the back from, some scratches, and just a phone that looks good and feels good. But again, this was the DBRAND Prism 2.0 tempered glass screen protector for that outer display of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 if you do find yourself interested in this screen protector. Of course, I have a link down in the description below so you can pick one up for yourself. But if you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. If you have anything you'd like to say about the screen protector, about the video, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.